Yeah, this is Manish Vig from Coach Alexiv, and we are participating at IndiaSoft. We are one of the leading legal process outsourcing companies, which is backed by the Coacher Group, and probably the only one in the Association Electronics and Computer Software Association Promote Council, which is in this category, in the LPO, KPO, Information Security and IT-enabled services domain. There is tremendous market, especially in the legal process outsourcing domain, as there is more and more sensitivity and awareness in international clients across the globe, whether those clients are from US, Europe, Latin America, Japan, as well as the Middle East, North African countries. As legal costs are very high, more and more companies want to seek solutions which are more cost effective and economical, yet high quality solutions. That's where companies such as ours see a tremendous opportunity in the LPO domain. As far as IT infrastructure, information security and integrated security management systems are concerned, India in itself is a huge market, as India sees a lot of infrastructure development. Hyderabad per se, I've come after a while, and Hyderabad has made tremendous progress in infrastructure. So there is a need for state-of-the-art, high-end integrated security management systems, wherein audio, video, voice, data, biometrics, access control, CCTV systems talk over one converged platform, or over one backbone, as we call in the IT space, one network. So that's where smart cities is the future, and all these services will come into. We already have an office in Hyderabad, which is the office of our flagship company, the Coacher & Company law firm. With regard to these services, we have a couple of engineers which are working out of Hyderabad, and as a delegate visiting IndiaSoft, I have seen the tremendous opportunities Hyderabad has, given the rapid pace at which infrastructure is being developed. So we plan to work alongside channel partners and then deliver such services out of Hyderabad as well. Expansion plans would be in the domain of IT infrastructure, which of course would mean networking, structured cabling, data security, cloud computing, as well as ISS, integrated security management systems. All of these form a bigger part of IT infrastructure, which is what we plan to offer to companies, international as well as domestic, based out of Hyderabad. There are many companies which offer such solutions, but I think the unique mix which we have gives us an edge over our competitors, because we are backed by one of the largest law firms in the country. Not that legal expertise is needed in IT, but we handle critical information data. Legal data is highly critical. So we understand the sensitivity of data confidentiality, of network security, and how to offer services which are based on commitments which we give to our clients based on trust, faith, confidence. So I think it's a unique mix which we have, and that sets us apart from competition.